All right, Dan Greenberg here with Cascadia Distilling. We're going to kick off the steam plant here, putting the catch under here so we can get to it. Make sure we got the special stick at our availability. We'll do that. Okay. Come over here. Looks like our boiler has gotten up. It's just over, you can check out here on the gauge right there. It's climbing. It's about 10 psi climbing. So she's going. Blow out a little steam. Well, the steam and drip lag. So we're here on the manifold. We're taking the top one. Coming over to Cascadia Distilling, still number one. So let's close this one now. Oh, I forgot something. Hey, I was at the manifold. I did not open up the valve to number one. Here we go. We'll go about about halfway. Still play. So here we are. Liquid. It's liquid right now. And bring it in there. We'll do a little pitch the other side out there because we're full of liquid that's not hot. This will not turn to steam anytime soon, if ever. Anyway, at this end, this is how much water comes through the steam plant. That's how much water it generates. And all the energy from the steam is dropped into heat to heat this unit. Pretty slick. Thanks a lot.